Blue is the color of Cyprus.
This is an island, a lot of blue water around it. Sky is blue most of the time.
And that color is now really taking off from the Mediterranean to the rest of the world. Cobalt is now the leading flight carrier on the island, and it's only taken 2 years to make its mark after its launch in mid-2015.
Very fast-growing company, and this gives me motivation, about my job.
Cobalt now connects Cyprus to 16 cities across Europe and the Middle East. Using the island as a connection hub formed a big part of the company's initial business plan, after it took advantage of a sudden domestic vacuum.
The aviation sector of Cyprus has undergone a rapid change since 2 years ago, when its state-backed Cyprus Airways went into bankruptcy. Just 1 year later, the Cobalt Air was born and filled the gap. And as the island's lucrative tourism market continues to grow, Cobalt is winning travelers' hearts with its quality service and ultra-low fares.
The tourism sector in Cyprus has expanded by more than a fifth over the past 12 months, and Cobalt is certainly playing its part in that growth, serving more than 750,000 passengers in 2017, a fourfold increase on the previous year. Joy Group, under the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, is now a minority 49% shareholder in the company. Cobalt now has a vision of launching a direct flight between the Chinese mainland and Cyprus.
China market is massive. We think the tourism from China to Europe is going to continue for several years to come. 40% of the traffic from China to Europe is through the Gulf, through connections. We think we can steal a whole bunch of that with connections through Cyprus to the rest of Europe, and also China connecting to Africa. So these all make China a very attractive long-haul destination.
What's even more attractive is the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative, which is bringing Cobalt and indeed Cyprus more opportunities.
We're bringing a lot of employment and opportunities to the island. In addition, facilitating the connectivity of the island to the rest of Europe better than ever before to these big capital cities across the country. We're bringing direct impact on GDP of the island.
Cobalt has added even more cities to its summer schedule this year, and will give Chinese holidaymakers easier access to Cyprus by opening a flight to Abu Dhabi, so they can enjoy all the different kinds of blues that Cyprus has to offer. 张绍义 CGTN Larnaca, Cyprus.